Carbohydrates are organic compounds composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, typically with the general formula, CH2O(N). They are a major source of energy for living organisms and play crucial roles in biological processes. Carbohydrates are essential for the proper functioning of cells and tissues, providing the necessary fuel for various metabolic activities. They are found in a wide range of foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and dairy products, making them a vital component of a balanced diet. Carbohydrates can be classified into four main types: monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates, consisting of single sugar molecules like glucose, fructose, and galactose. These are the building blocks of more complex carbohydrates and are easily absorbed by the body. Disaccharides are formed by the linkage of two monosaccharides. Examples include sucrose, which is composed of glucose and fructose, lactose, made of glucose and galactose, and maltose, consisting of two glucose molecules. These sugars must be broken down into monosaccharides before they can be utilized by the body. Oligosaccharides are composed of 3 to 10 monosaccharide units. They play important roles in cell recognition and signaling, acting as markers on cell surfaces that help cells communicate with each other. Polysaccharides are long chains of monosaccharide units. Examples include starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Starch serves as an energy storage molecule in plants, while glycogen performs a similar function in animals. Cellulose, on the other hand, provides structural integrity to plant cell walls, making it a crucial component of plant structure. Carbohydrates serve several vital functions in the body. Firstly, they are a primary energy source. Glucose, a monosaccharide, is the main fuel for cells, providing the energy needed for various cellular activities. Secondly, carbohydrates are involved in energy storage. Glycogen in animals and starch in plants serve as storage forms of glucose, ensuring a readily available energy supply when needed. Thirdly, carbohydrates play a structural role. Cellulose, a polysaccharide, provides structural integrity in plant cell walls, contributing to the rigidity and strength of plants. Lastly, carbohydrates are crucial for cell recognition and signaling. Glycoproteins and glycolipids on cell surfaces are involved in cell recognition and communication, allowing cells to interact with their environment and with each other effectively. Biological membranes are essential structures that form the boundaries of cells and organelles, providing compartmentalization and a platform for various biochemical reactions. They are primarily composed of lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Membranes are dynamic structures that play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and functionality of cells. They regulate the movement of substances in and out of cells, facilitate communication between cells, and provide structural support. The composition of biological membranes includes lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Lipids are the major component, forming a bilayer. The most common lipids are phospholipids, cholesterol, and glycolipids. Phospholipids have a hydrophilic head and two hydrophobic tails, forming a bilayer with tails inward. Cholesterol modulates membrane fluidity and stability. Glycolipids, which are lipids with carbohydrate chains, are involved in cell recognition. Proteins and membranes can be integral, embedded within the lipid bilayer, or peripheral, attached to the membrane surface. Integral proteins span the membrane and can form channels or transporters, while peripheral proteins attach to the surface and can be involved in signaling pathways or structural support. Carbohydrates are attached to lipids, glycolipids, and proteins, glycoproteins, on the extracellular surface, playing a role in cell-cell recognition and communication. Membranes serve several critical functions. They act as a barrier, separating the internal environment of the cell from the external environment. They regulate the entry and exit of substances through selective permeability. Membranes also contain receptors for signal transduction, facilitating communication between cells. Additionally, they provide a scaffold for cellular components, offering support and structure to the cell.